Hello camping enthusiasts, with handy gadgets on Amazon to make your outdoor adventures easier. We will review and give you a comprehensive look at the best products the camping market has to offer in 2024. Let's go.
For those who venture off the beaten path, a reliable compass is non-negotiable. The AOFAR military compass is built for the demands of outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. Crafted from durable military-grade metal with a thermoelastic liquid-filled capsule, this compass delivers exceptional accuracy and waterproof performance in any weather condition. The AOFAR compass stands out with its luminous magnet arrow and dial, aiming line, magnifier viewer, tripod connection, and heavy-duty zinc die-cast construction. These features ensure reliability on every adventure, whether it's camping, hiking, or mapping unfamiliar terrain. Designed with versatility in mind, floating compass style, adjustable prism lens, and shake-proof construction offer multifunctionality for various outdoor activities. The waterproof pouch and black lanyard provide convenient carrying options, keeping your compass secure, yet easily accessible. With its optical eyepiece, sighting bearings becomes effortless, making navigation quick and efficient in any situation. Whether you're an experienced adventurer or a casual explorer, AOFAR Military Compass is the ultimate tool for confidently finding your way. Adventurers, backpackers, and minimalists rejoice. The Scrubba Wash Bag Mini is here to revolutionize your travel laundry routine. Weighing in at a mere 70 grams, this palm-sized wonder is the world's smallest washing machine, perfect for those who value space and efficiency. Forget about lugging around dirty clothes or relying on expensive hotel laundry services. Scrubba Mini lets you wash your socks, underwear, or even a t-shirt anytime, anywhere. Just add water, a bit of detergent, and give it a few minutes of gentle scrubbing against the internal washboard. Voila! Fresh, clean clothes ready for your next adventure. Its compact size makes it ideal for camping trips, backpacking expeditions, or even weekend getaways. Simply toss it in your backpack and enjoy the freedom of clean clothes on the go. The Scrubba Mini is not only lightweight and convenient, but it's also durable and eco-friendly, helping you reduce your environmental impact while traveling. Say goodbye to laundry hassles and embrace the freedom of the Scrubba Wash Bag Mini. Pack lighter, travel further, and experience the joy of fresh clothes wherever your journey takes you. Tired of mosquitoes ruining your outdoor adventures? Introducing the RADARCAN Mosquito Insect and Bug Repellent, your ultimate defense against those pesky pests. This cutting-edge device, rigorously tested and proven effective by independent universities and labs globally, offers safe and non-toxic mosquito protection for the whole family, including babies, kids, adults, and even pregnant women. Its DEET-free and scent-free formula provides peace of mind without the hassle of sprays or refills. Simply turn it on and say goodbye to mosquitoes, making it perfect for any outdoor activity, camping and fishing to relaxing on the patio. The updated device boasts a graphene layer and the latest generation of microelectronics, ensuring lasting durability and comfort. Plus, with a battery life of up to 10 months, it offers long-lasting protection for endless summer fun. Don't let mosquitoes dictate your outdoor plans. Try RADARCAN and reclaim your mosquito-free summer today. The TAC9er Wallet Multitool is a masterfully designed, compact powerhouse that seamlessly fits into your wallet or pocket, ready for any task or emergency. With 22 practical tools built into its sleek design, it's the perfect companion for those who value versatility and preparedness. Crafted from heat-treated stainless steel, the TAC9er offers exceptional durability and resistance to wear and tear, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. Despite its robust construction, it weighs less than 6 grams and measures a mere 3.38 by 2.113 by 0.04 inches, slipping discreetly into any wallet slot or pocket. This multi-tool packs a punch with its array of functions, including a hex wrench, can opener, bottle opener, eyeglass screwdriver, straight edge, and many more, catering to a wide range of needs. Whether you're tackling everyday tasks, embarking on outdoor adventures, or simply want to be prepared for the unexpected, the TAC9er Wallet Multitool is your reliable, go-to solution. This outdoor pump filter system uses advanced 0.01 micron technology to remove up to 99.999% of harmful contaminants, including bacteria, protozoa, and microplastics. Natural coconut-activated carbon filters ensure your water tastes fresh and clean, even in the wild. With a super-fast flow rate of up to 1,400 milliliters per minute, you'll never wait long for clean water. The long-lasting filter can purify up to 793 gallons before needing replacement, ensuring safe drinking water for your entire group. The sturdy design features a special rubber grip for stability and an upgraded handle for increased durability. The transparent lid doubles as a drinking cup, and a built-in compass helps you stay on track. Compact and lightweight, it's the perfect companion any outdoor adventure. Whether you're hiking, camping, or facing an emergency, this filter system empowers you to turn rainwater, lake water, or even river water into clean, drinkable water in minutes. No electricity required. When exploring the wilderness, a trustworthy fixed-blade knife is crucial for tackling various challenges. Whether you're hunting, camping, or facing a survival situation, Columbia River Knife and Tool 2861 Huntin' Fisch fixed-blade knife is designed to excel in any environment. This knife boasts several features for superior handling and performance. Multiple friction grooves along the spine provide enhanced blade control, while the eye-catching, multicolored G10 handle offers both durability and style. Equally at home in the field or the garage, this versatile knife is ready for any task. Built with hunters and outdoor enthusiasts in mind, this knife is designed to maximize your harvest. Its design reflects the wisdom of an experienced traditional bow hunter, ensuring functionality and reliability in every detail. The full-grain leather sheath with a belt loop adds to its practicality. Offering multiple carry options, the sheath ensures comfort and easy access throughout your adventures. Embrace the outdoors with confidence, knowing you have a reliable tool at your side. The CRKT 2861 Huntin' Fisch fixed blade knife is your trusted companion for any outdoor pursuit. From backyard gatherings to mountain adventures, Jackery's Explorer 1000 portable power station has you covered. This compact powerhouse weighs just 22 pounds and packs a massive 1,002 watt-hours, making it a more travel-friendly option than traditional fuel generators. 3 AC outlets, carport, 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports, including Quick Charge 3.0, ensure your devices stay charged. A smart LCD display keeps you informed, and a built-in LED flashlight with SOS function adds peace of mind. Plug into a wall outlet, car charger, or generator. Better yet, pair with Jackery's 100-watt solar panels for clean, on-the-go recharging. The MPPT solar charge controller maximizes efficiency. Power your campsite lights, coffee maker, cooler, even your CPAP machine. Backyard parties? No problem. Keep the music playing and devices charged with quiet, clean energy. And during power outages, the Explorer 1000 serves as a reliable backup generator for essential appliances. Whether you're camping, road tripping, or preparing for emergencies, the Jackery Explorer 1000 is your ultimate outdoor power solution. In emergency situations, quick and effective wound treatment is of utmost importance. Zip Stitch offers a revolutionary first aid solution, replacing traditional stitching with a non-invasive and painless method suitable for minor cuts and lacerations. This emergency wound closure patch is suitable for a variety of activities such as hiking, fishing, hunting, cycling, cooking, and traveling. Made from premium materials, Zip Stitch is skin-friendly, waterproof, lightweight, and breathable. The high-quality construction ensures no irritation, allowing you to easily care for lacerations and cuts. With adjustable length, you can control the pulling force, providing precise wound closure. The unique design of Zip Stitch helps reduce scarring by creating the right amount of tension to counteract the pulling force of skin tissue, ensuring a smoother healing process. The self-contained sterile packaging ensures the product remains sterile and safe for use in a variety of environments. The Zip Stitch is ideal for first aid kits, providing a reliable and easy-to-use solution for emergency wound closure. Its versatility and convenience make the Zip Stitch a must-have for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities or wants to be prepared for unexpected injuries. For outdoor enthusiasts, a reliable sleeping bag is indispensable after a long day of hiking, camping, or traveling. Introducing the CANWAY Flannel Adult Sleeping Bag, meticulously crafted for comfort and convenience. Made from 230 thread count polyester and hollow cotton filling, this sleeping bag is soft, comfortable, and skin-friendly, while also being water-resistant to protect you from the elements. Measuring 210 centimeters by 80 centimeters, it provides ample space for you to move freely and enjoy your sleep. The detachable bottom zipper allows for ventilation or leg extension, adding versatility. With the ability to withstand temperatures up to 0 degrees Celsius, this sleeping bag keeps users warm even in cold weather conditions. The innovative two-way zipper system with zipper protection prevents snagging, making it easy to open and close the sleeping bag. Whether you are camping in cool weather or enjoying a more temperate climate, CANWAY Flannel Sleeping Bag ensures warmth and comfort throughout the night. Lightweight and easy to carry, it is the perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. Introducing the Viper Red Dot, a sleek and streamlined solution designed to seamlessly integrate with your handgun. Its super low profile and compatibility with cutout slides make it the perfect companion for your firearm. Achieve a flawless co-witness with your iron sights, thanks to the Viper's low height and a crisp 6 MOA dot that's quick to acquire and align with your target. Experience a wide, unobstructed field of view through the fully multi-coated, ultra-clear lens. Power and illumination controls are easily accessible for swift adjustments, ensuring you maintain unwavering focus on your target. Built to withstand the rigors of any environment, the Viper is waterproof, fortified with ArmorTech protection, and boasts shockproof construction. Make precise adjustments with 1 MOA windage and elevation controls, effortlessly guiding the dot to your desired point of aim. Elevate your shooting experience with the Viper Red Dot and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with the Vortex VIP warranty. A reliable, comfy camping chair is essential gear for outdoor adventurers. The Let's Camp oversized folding camping chair is your ticket to relaxation amidst nature. Crafted with durable powder-coated steel and plush padding, it offers unparalleled comfort and support, accommodating users up to 450 pounds. Setting up is a breeze, and its lightweight design makes transportation effortless. Enjoy ultimate convenience with a built-in cooler bag, mesh cup holder, and multifunctional side pocket for drinks, snacks, and essentials. Adjustable armrests and a sturdy steel frame complete the package. Whether you're camping, fishing, picnicking, or attending concerts, this chair is your perfect outdoor companion. Upgrade your outdoor experience today. Order your Let's Camp oversized folding camping chair on Amazon now.